welcome to my VBA expert channel. Some days ago, there is one steel industries, Al Khalij Steel Industries in Middle East. They contacted me for their production planning system. So this is the site. They are dealing in wire rod finished goods. They import the wire rods and they manufacture the finished good from the wire rod. So they have some requirement in order to design their production planning software. So I am showing you how I have developed this system. This time I have developed this system some different way. I have put one database as a Excel file in their shared drive folder, and they have three departments. One is production, another is admin, and third one is logistic department. So I have developed three modules, and in these three modules there are a lot of features and there are a lot of features in these modules. So this is the simple architecture. So no one can touch this database directly. They are using their system, their files, and they are accessing the data through these files as per their requirement and the rule. So this is the file. This is the admin view. You will have all the options here. This is, first of all, I am just showing you how they initiate their business. How they initiate their process once they receive the customer order. Once they receive the customer order, they will procure. They procure the wire rod as a raw material. So here all the fields they have to fill: LPO number, LPO date, and etc. etc. Here, once they fill this data, I will show you this quickly. LPO number, LPO date, let's say 6 June, lot number, because every LPO has lot number. This is their technical term, so I am not discussing all this functionality here, because this is their admin part, their process. So this is the thickness of the wire rod, and this is the vendor, and this is the tentative date to receive this raw material, let's say 10 June, and this is the UOM, unit of measure, metric ton, kg, and all this is handled through the this drop down menu in some another sheet. I will show you this also later. Order quantity, let's say 1 metric ton. Price, there are multiple currencies, they are dealing multiple countries to receive this raw material. So let's say USD, cost per metric ton in USD, let's say 1200 US dollar. If you have some amount you can put, and the value of this LPO will automatically calculate into dirham, AED, dirhams. So all currency converter I have managed, and then I say save. So record saved successfully. Now I am receiving, you can see this all, this is now great, it's coming here, and this is lot number. Now I am receiving the raw material, because this is LP order. Now I am receiving 602. I am coming here 602. See all these values automatically populated. Now I am checking this value. This is 1 metric ton, balance quantity, tentative date. Suppose in this case I am taking full quantity, but it needs, this is mandatory field, so you have to put the current date. in case you are you have taken all the raw material. So here we have to this, because since this is the mandatory field, so I have to fill, this is the field, because I am taking all the things, all the raw material, and this is received date, so same date. I say update, it is updated now. Now I am coming to the customer order, SRMD, this is customer order, they have some technical term. So, and you have the split SRMD and non-split SRMD. I will show you what is the logic of this. Sometime they issue actually one customer order from one lot number. Sometime what happened, they don't have sufficient quantity in one lot number, so they split the order and they will issue from another lot number, because they cannot issue multiple lot number to one SRMD, one customer order. So I am just taking one dummy SRMD, customer PO number is this, receive name, order date, let's say this, customer AD, let's say kg, 500, unit sale price of this per kg, so I just put 500, SKU, product name, this is all predefined, this let's say 9. Now I have to load my raw material from this button by hitting this button. I say load wire raw. Now I am taking this item, say this all item, this all raw material. So see, once I double click, so it will automatically come here. This lot number contains 500 kg, this 750, so I am just taking from here. So once I just save, so it will automatically update the raw material and all, and it will generate this SRMD 500456. Save, order customer order has been captured now. Now this SRMD, this customer order goes to the production. I will show you the production now. This is the production. So production guys will take care of this. Now once I say retrieve orders, so all this is all existing and the new order that I just entered, so it will retrieve. See, it is now coming here. This is order quantity, order, this all fields, because this is so many fields actually, so I am just showing you the basic fields. So now their production team is planning to when this item will be ready, so I am just taking any dummy date, any future date. This all blue fields are locked, they cannot change here, only this sky blue field they will change. They will put their values, total produced quantity, let's say this is today's quantity, so they start producing now this for this, so they can update here, let's say this is a full quantity, I am just putting a bit less. Once I just put all these fields, I say, see, this is 500 and this is balance quantity 0, delivered to 0, everything is 0. Now once I update, so see, you will have this blue, this green, so it means it is synced in the main database. Then again I say retrieve order, so this is updated now. Total produced 300 now, because I have updated now, and balance quantity to be produced automatically updated 200, because total quantity is 500. If I put some wrong data in the today's produced quantity and I update, so it will not update it will not clean. See, this is not green, this row, because I put wrong data. There are a lot of things actually in this very big software. I cannot cover all the things in this software. This is status, so production team will take care of this status also. They have to just change the status once it is completed, or short, closed, cancelled, open, so many features. And now I'm again going to the admin. This is again admin. Now you can see the all reporting parts. This is wire rod. Wire rod is the same, their stock. So this is generate again lot of things. It is coming. It is this all data is fetching through the main Excel file where I placed on the share drive. So they don't have access directly that file. So see, this is wire rod. This is raw material. It's keep updating whenever you issue the raw material to the customer, this customer order. This is his reports, SRMD report. Now see, this is the last item, so you can see the progress here also. So see, this is 200 is balance quantity be produced. This is produced 300. This is updating here also, so they can see and analyze, or they will use this report for their need. So this is cost. If they want calculating the cost, this is the cost, all the cost of their raw material and their margin. So this margin will come here. Again, there are a lot of things. SRMD transfer report. This is something else. This is actually sometime what happened, they have two orders or multiple orders. So one customer is more important as compared to another customer, or they are having some good. If they have some, they want to transfer from one order to another order. So this is the place. This is the report. Place is in the production sheet. So here this is all report from SRMD to SRMD. So you can have a look here, and this is average wise, whatever the balance and to be received, it is the average cost of the raw material. So they can check anytime their existing raw material balance and to be received quantity with the grade and the thickness of the wire rod. This is the average cost. So this sheet is calculating the average cost. Now this is the configure drop down menu. This is the place where I am showing you, I was showing you the all drop down. These are coming from here. So you can, if you have more UOM, unit of measure, you can add here. This is currency. You can just put the rate, because I am just considering, because this software is using in Middle East. So here currency is AED. So I convert all the currencies to AED here. 1 AED, 1 USD. This value, this you have to maintain. This is their grade, their specifications, vendors. These all are drop downs. They are using. We are using in the forms, so you can change here, so it will be updated automatically over there. And configure drop down, and this is DB path. Yes, this is whenever they start using this software. So this report is very important for their admin, for their IT admin guide. So here all the tables what I am using in the central database, and this is the remaining rows. So he is monitoring, the person who is responsible for maintaining the database. So he will look after this remaining rows. So these are the tables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9 tables I am using to handle all this easy production system. And this is the path of the share drive wherever they want to put. So they have to configure here and then say submit. So it is configure. This is very important for the IT guy. And so many reports actually. This is their technical reports. Now I'm just back to the admin admin forms. Double click here. So this is the alert for production. This I already shown you. This is the alert for production reproduction. Suppose sometime what happened, I told you the transfer in transfer case. So one is transfer, one finished good transfer from one SRMD to another SRMD, one customer order to another customer order. So if they want to reproduction whatever they transfer from one order to another order, so all orders are coming here. If I say load orders for reproduction, so currently there is no order, and this is again the same raw material you can issue from here. And this is reset database. Suppose in the after 1 year they want to just back up their data and just reset for the new fresh database, so they can just take the backup first and then they reset the database, so they will start from the new database. And this is the production status. Admin can check anytime the production status. This is the again same detail, but here you can see this is produced quantity, this is delivered quantity, and this is EPD, means expected production date. So this is all delivered, this is all produced, so there is no EPD. And they can search if they have a lot of this grid has a lot of data, then they can search by this, like just put the value here, so you will have all 38,000 the SRMD filtered out, and accordingly customer by customer you can just filter out. Now I'm going to you the this what you call this logistic sheet. Logistic, their work is only to deliver the goods. Again load ready orders, I just say load ready orders. We can search again same like SRMD order number here, and then just select like this. I say I just want to dispatch this 50 kg and dispatch that, let's say 06. This update, this is updated now. So this is the 22001 dash. See now 100. Now once you again reload, so this is now 150 because I 50 I already dispatched. So this is their tracking. This is delivery logistic guy can see their progress, their report by again filtering this, and they have the report also, same report. So they can see here report, all report. They can see report here, and this delivery history. This is the delivery history, so they can see the delivery history or delivery history. So this is all about this easy production planning management system. There are a lot of many features because I didn't have much time to show you in one video, so I just shown you the very briefing of this production planning management system. So if you have such kind of requirement, any type of requirement, whether you are having some production industry or you are dealing with some financial services or some kind of FMCG, any type of requirement, you can contact me. This is my contact information, and I am also putting under the video description. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends and groups. Thank you very much.